Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to archive orders on Amazon. All right, so let's begin with the video. If you're trying to archive orders on Amazon in 2026, the reality is that this feature is no longer available. Amazon has removed the option to archive orders, so you can't hide individual purchases within the same account anymore. This can be frustrating, especially if you want to keep certain orders private, like gifts or personal items. The only reliable workaround now is to use separate Amazon accounts. If you don't use Amazon Prime, this is simple. You can just create another account and place orders there. However, if you do use Prime and want to keep sharing its benefits, Amazon provides a solution called Amazon Household. This allows 2 adults plus additional teen or child profiles to share one Prime membership while keeping their order histories completely separate. With Amazon Household, one person remains the main Prime account holder, and the other creates their own separate account and links it. Even though payment methods and Prime benefits can be shared, each person's orders stay private, meaning neither can see the other's purchase history. This makes it a good alternative for maintaining privacy while still enjoying shared perks. And that's it. So that's basically how you can archive orders on Amazon. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.